Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to add a social share image in Squarespace. This feature is incredibly useful because it controls what image appears when someone shares your page on social media platforms like Facebook, Twitter, or LinkedIn, making your content much more eye-catching and professional. Also, if you're interested in business tools that could improve your workflow, I've dropped a few links in the description down below. First, open your browser and navigate to squarespace.com. Once you're on the homepage, log into your account using your credentials. This will take you directly to your Squarespace dashboard where you can manage all your websites and settings. Once you're on the dashboard, you'll see all the websites associated with your account. Simply click on the website where you want to add the social share image. This will open up the main editing interface for that specific site. Now look at the left side menu and click on Website. This section houses all the core settings and pages for your site. Under the website option, click on Pages. This will display a list of all the pages you've created on your website, making it easy to navigate to the specific page you want to customize. You'll now see all your pages listed out. Simply select the page where you want to add the social share image, then click the gear icon beside it. This gear icon is your gateway to all the individual settings for that particular page, including SEO, layout, and social sharing options. In the page settings panel that appears on the left side, click on Social Image. This is the specific setting that controls what image gets displayed when your page is shared on social platforms. It's a small detail that can make a huge difference in how engaging your shared content looks. Next, click on Add an Image. Squarespace will present you with 3 options for adding your social share image. You can upload a file directly from your computer, select from library if you've already uploaded images to your Squarespace account, or browse stock images if you want to use professional photos provided by Squarespace. For this tutorial, we'll select from library. This option is perfect if you've already uploaded your brand images or photos to your Squarespace account and want to reuse them consistently across different pages. Now browse through the images in your library until you find the one you want to use. Once you've found the right image, click on it to select it, then click Add. This will apply that image as your social share image for this page. Give it a moment to load and confirm the selection. Once you're done, click Save at the top or bottom of the settings panel. This ensures that all your changes are applied and that your social share image is now active. From now on, whenever someone shares this page on social media, your chosen image will appear alongside the link, making your content more visually appealing and clickable. And that's it. You've successfully added a social share image to your Squarespace page, which will help boost engagement whenever your content is shared. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.